everyone, it's your girl Melanie. And if there's one thing you should know about me, it's that one of my favorite things is getting into bed in fresh, clean sheets. So I do a lot of reviews on bedding products because, like I said, it's one of my favorite things. And recently I did a review for a company called Ghostbed, and they sent me this pillow, which I am still using and loving today. Ghostbed is one of the hottest new bedding companies on the market. They sell mattresses, they sell pillows, and they always get top marks for Consumer Reports. So they reached out to me and sent me some new sheets. Yay! And I'm going to do a little unboxing for you right now, and I'm going to show you what is inside this box of sheets. I'm going to open this up for you right now, and this is my first time opening the product. And let's see what's inside. Okay, so first is a little thank you with 2 great reasons for 1 great sheet. I guess we will find out what that is in just a minute. Now these sheets come in 2 colors, white and gray. I ended up selecting the gray one. Oh, the plastic kind of smells a little bit. Let's open this up and see what's inside. They have a little smell to them right out of the box, but once I wash them, that should take care of that. And look at this band that goes around the fitted sheet. This is thick. I have never seen anything like this before. And it's supposed to stay on your bed no matter what. So here's one of the pillowcases. Here's another pillowcase. Oh, what's this? And 2 more pillowcases. That's 4 pillowcases. I've never received a bedding set that has 4 pillowcases before, which is awesome because me and my husband both use 2 pillows to sleep on. And finally, we have the flat sheet with a nice big rim on it here. These sheets are actually cool to the touch. Wow, that's gonna be nice. Let me tell you what is so special about the Ghostbed sheets. So it is made out of Supima cotton and what is called Tencel fiber, which I have never heard of before. Supima cotton is one of the finest cottons grown in America. It is made of 100% certified Pima cotton, but they blend it so that it is twice as strong as regular Pima cotton. It's supposed to be more durable than regular cotton and gets softer every time you wash it. Tencel fiber is made out of plants and is supposed to provide temperature regulation, superior moisture absorption, and bacteria and allergy resistant. That is awesome. I never knew I could get all that stuff from a sheet. So as you can see, I have stripped my bed, and the next thing I'm going to do is wash these sheets, and when I come back, you and I are going to make the bed together. Guess what? The sheets are done. Ooh, and they smell delicious. This is my favorite thing. So now we're going to make the bed. Let's see how it fits. I have a really thick memory foam mattress, and I have a mattress pad on top of the bed right now. But I'm going to start with the fitted sheet, and we'll see how this fits on my real thick mattress. To show you, the seam is on the inside. So that means the part that says Ghostbed is going to go on the outside. Cue music. Oh, making the bed is so hard by myself. Alrighty, well, it's fitting over the corners. And there's still room to spare, so I'm going to see if I can tuck this under the mattress. Why do memory foam mattresses have to be so freaking heavy? So far, so good. The elastic was able to go all the way under the mattress, which I really like. And I sleep with a pretty big pillow. So now we're going to see if this pillowcase will actually fit my large pillow. People, this is what happens when you dye your hair bright colors. So this is a king size pillow, and the pillowcases that come with the Ghostbed sheets are not quite big enough to fit over this king size pillow. However, this is what I usually sleep on, which is a queen size pillow, and you can see that it is a nice fit. It is a little bit snug. I mean, it almost comes to the edge of the pillow here, but it fits fine with a queen size pillow. And if you have a standard pillow, it fits fine with plenty of room to spare. That was the most exercise I've done all year. I'm telling you, still on the bed. Sweet! I have it pretty even on both sides. This is a king size bed, so you can see it does a great job of covering the entire thing. And there's still lots of sheet to spare. I can tell you it smells delicious because of my fabulous laundry detergent. It feels really soft, and it's actually really cool to the touch, which is kind of surprising. But that's exactly what we need here living in Phoenix, Arizona. Oh boy, my feet are really dirty. So far so good. I can't wait to sleep in my new sheets tonight. Night. Good morning. How'd you sleep? I can tell you that I slept amazing last night. I just had my first night sleeping on the new Ghostbed sheets, and now I know what all the fuss is about. So these sheets, they are a little bit on the crisper side, okay? They will get softer the more you wash them, but here was the amazing thing. Everywhere that my skin touched was cool. So like I could move my leg, I could move my arm, and every spot in the sheet was actually cool. And between my little hot flashes and the Arizona heat, sleeping cool is really hard to come by. So I'm really impressed, and my husband's really impressed, and even my dog's really impressed, right then? And another nice thing about the Ghostbed sheets is that they offer a 3-year warranty, and they always come with free shipping. So if you're interested in trying out Ghostbed sheets for yourself, I will put a link in the video below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Is that drool? Yeah!